Get ready to boost your creativity to the next level with the M2 Pro or M2 Max chip. Dive into your favorite pro apps like Adobe Creative Cloud and Xcode with lightning-fast performance. Experience a visual masterpiece on the 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with extreme dynamic range. Unleash unstoppable productivity with up to 22 hours of power on the MacBook Pro. Capture every detail with the advanced 1080p FaceTime HD camera and studio quality 3 mic array. Stay connected with a range of ports including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and more. Unlock your Mac with ease using the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID for fast and secure access. With the M2 Pro or M2 Max chip, enjoy lightning-fast performance for your creative tasks. Immerse yourself in a visual masterpiece on the 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with extreme dynamic range.